outer space and attack the space. So we're going to start without pressure. So on the flank, my white strikers are going to know how to create space. They know how to create space, with just basic movement. One, I can move in a direction and quickly change and go back in the opposite direction, assuming that the defender would make a bad decision and follow me. Or two, I can move on a straight line and then change my speed and move in the
Cover Mix, coach of Charlemont High School, Dacosta Cup team 2023.
Alright, Mix. So far, how are things going with camp and training?
Well, things are going pretty okay, but there could be a lot of things that could be different. However, we're just working with the situation and trying to get the best result from these set of players.
How far are you guys now in training?
We're about 45 to 50%.
Alright, how much weeks now or days now you guys have started preparation?
This will be our third week in camp. So that's the third week and we put in a lot of work so far. The boys had a little base work before we got here, so it wasn't easy to make the high intensive transition with them.
Alright, so far.
Hey, don't you have to come back, come defend! Hey!
I've been here this morning, a lot of work, a lot of preparation. You can see guys are putting in. You look a bit short on gears and equipment. Do you think that is something that will be addressed quite soon?
Yes, I was advised by the management that would be addressed in short order, so we're just waiting patiently to receive the equipment that we need.
Alright, so how is the vibes in camp right now amongst the boys?
The vibes is good, you know. The vibes is good. We have some senior players which we're going to put a lot of the workload on to lead some of the younger players. We have a few injuries now which we're trying to address. And hopefully by now and next week we'll bring some additional players into company.
Shot. But from my observation, fitness was an issue. I did see quite a few issues in the team last season. Do you think you'd have addressed those issues now?
One thing I can tell you, a team that is coached by Mr. Meeks and Mr. Parchment, fitness will not be an issue.
All right. So preparation-wise, they say guys are looking good going to this season. Do you have any expectations this season?
Right now, our expectations is to get the best out of the players and ensure that we can make it to the second round. After we reach to the second round, we sit down as a coaching staff and we realistically think about what are our possible chances, and then we take it from there.
All right. Nice speaking to you, Mr. Meeks. Let's hear from the assistant and also
big
fitness.
Military, big up.
I know you're heavily involved where fitness is concerned. Where you think the players are right now? Compared to last year and what you have done this year so far.
Alright, so right now we have, we went through a lot of physical work, focusing on the lower body, upper body, coordination, getting them to understand that fitness is the key. One of the things that we're trying to get them to understand that you have two different types of fitness, base fitness and match fitness. So far, base fitness, we're getting there. We are around, I think, 50% now in terms of fitness. We're clocking, team average is 10 in the beep. We soon shift to the yo-yo test, and then at the end of our camp we should do a comprehensive fitness test. We will test all different areas of the body and we can get the right timing on how they can play in the games. You understand me? So this is one of the things that we as fitness coach in Jamaica should know. Like, we should know the time that our players can play on the field, and that's where we want to reach with Charlemont, Dacosta Cup team.
So the aim is by September we're supposed to have a player that can run for 90 minutes, 180 minutes.
Right, and then who can improve, we'll have recommendation for them and things that they can do to improve. But sometimes the body weight may become an issue why the player cannot play 90 minutes fully and stuff, so you have to lower their weight and stuff like that.
Yeah, boy.
National TV. Oh, let's come on, dog. Let's come on, dog. I'm me, I do it.
So hold on there. Percy, you step on the wall over here.
Sure, I'm here. See, by yesterday morning. See, by yesterday morning.
You look like you're there behind the wall. Let's go. Get the beast a touch. Move again, beast. Let's go. Play, attack. Watch puck, watch puck.
Why no, that? There you go.
Play. Open back. Pass. We have to pass. Go back inside. Hey, brother. You have to go to come get that touch. Fine. But once the ball pass, get back in there, so. Give him back the ball. And pass it now. Go back where you have to go now. Yeah.
What's the line? Alright, dry him out now.
Box it, come out there, box it. Watch him!
Heady.
Hey!
Who has come support? Back post, puck. Oh, brilliant.
So, hopefully to see you guys getting the job done. You guys have been working together for a long while. So big up Coach Meeks and big up Coach Parchment. And we'll see you guys September.
One more thing I have to say. I asked Mr. Meeks a question about last season. I think two factors was there as well. You mentioned one.
The fitness.
The fitness was one. And also I think discipline. Discipline was one of the biggest problems last season. And this season we have, I think we have boys who wants to play and they are disciplined. Our captain so far, really picked himself, Tyreek Anderson. Or when he talks, everybody listen. I think our job is easy when it come on to, with the boys and stuff, and the camaraderie is there. They're talking with each other, banding and everything. So it's a good look. And one thing, whenever I put out a video, I always say we will be ready.
All right, big up,
We'll be ready.
Play. Go. Put this space there. Give him. Yeah.